Set the beep. Press function, and put the code to 580. In F3, change the number to 0 to turn off the beep. Then back to F1, pair the pager number again after any settings. When it ringed, done the set. Back to homepage to call it. See, there's no beep sound, only flashing and vibrating. Let's into setting again. There's 1, 2, and 3, which stands for different levels of flashing and vibrating. Change it to 3, fast beeping. Back to F1, pair the pager number again. Back to homepage to call it. Here's the beep sound.